The thing about this wig, she's literally ready to go. And the knots have already been bleached. I like it. And this is a Yaki texture blonde highlight human hair wig. It is 20 inches. And this is a tinted transparent lace. The lace goes pretty far back. All the way back here, 200% density, 20 inches. All right, when I say I have about 15 minutes to install this wig, because I'm on my way to church. Ooh, let's open our gift really quick before church. Okay, here's the wig. Then we also have some goodies down here, information packet, some adhesive strips, a melt band, a wig cap. Okay, and a little protective sleeve. Yeah, first I was just gonna throw on this other wig, but then I'm like, no, I wanna be cute today. I wanna be extra cute. But the thing about this wig, she's literally ready to go. Already have the curls. Oh, perfect. It has some cute little highlights. And the knots have already been bleached. Hairline, perfect. Like, baby, I have no work to this. So I just got some old braids in. And honestly, the church I go to, baby, they do praise and worship for about an hour. So I have time. Definitely got time for the word. And I'm moving too, so there's a lot of stuff everywhere. Don't pay attention to the background. You have this adjustable band that's super soft. I like that. You have a comb here in the back. First of all, it's my friend's daughter's birthday next week. And I just wanted to go ahead and give her her gift. Let's push this comb up through the back. Do I need that ponytail? Is it giving me a little bulge? I might even take this little ponytail out. Okay, perfect. Yeah, look. This is right out of the packaging. So, let's customize it a little bit. But like I said, it's my friend's daughter's birthday. It's next week. And she's not having her a party or anything. So I'm like, I could just give her her gift today. Let's pull this up. It is $9.33. All right. Adding the glue first. Using my RPGSHOW J lace adhesive. Do I want to use this or some lace spray? I'm gonna do this. And I need to make sure my wig not trying to slide back while I'm praising the Lord. Okay. Just a little bit is getting on my hairline. I feel like that's okay as long as you remove it properly. And I will. So don't go trying to snatch your wig off. If you feel the slightest bit of tension, you need to wait and add more product. For me, what I use to remove my wig, I use alcohol and let it remove on its own. Like, it will just slide off with ease versus like trying to tug on it. All right, it's 9:37. Let's go ahead and bring her down. Y'all, I have so much to do today. On top of me going to church, I got gift bags. I also got a pack of clothes because after church, I have to go and cut grass. I bought some land like 5 years ago, and instead of me paying somebody to cut the grass every 2 weeks or so in the summer, I go cut it myself. Cause But it's also in the city, so I have to keep it tamed. All right, let's bring her down. I'm like, oh, I bought some land in the city. You know, I'm gonna just sit on it. Girl, Bob, you gotta put in that work. Okay, now let me cut the lace. We're just gonna snip this real jagged. And I feel like that just helps not look so wiggish. You know it's a wig, but let's try not to let it look like a wig. I'm gonna add a little makeup right there. Don't worry about that. Don't be trying to clock me. Push this back down a little. Just do that with your comb. Push the hair down into it, but then you want to rake it back so that the hair isn't glued down into the lace. Same thing over here. Push that down. I kind of like this still pushed out though. I'm gonna leave that. I like the little natural looking edges coming down though. Ooh-wee. All right, now let's get these edges together and then I'm done. Like, look how good my hair looks. Oh, this looks so good. You see the hairline. And I'm going to add a little makeup because if I see it, you see it. You see it. All right, now let's take this off. Ooh. So I'm using my Ruby Kisses. This is in the color 16. So it blends in well. Winter, I think 15 works a little better for me. And look at that. You see the difference that has made? I like it. And plus with the knots being bleached already, they had like a little yellow tone to it. So this is going to help neutralize that. And that's it. See, I'm not even redipping my brush. I'm just pressing it a little firmer. Okay, let's plug up these hot combs so I can get it looking real crispy how I like. It's 9:54. All right, and just use this little razor. I want this to be pushed back a little bit more, like push this back so that my hair can kind of float over it. So I use this Got To Be Glue holding spray. Then work the product in. Also, so when I add my hot combs, it's not gonna fry the hair. Not dry, but not wet either. Start off with the back of the comb. Look at that. It doesn't look like it's going to be really hot today. I really pray that the sun does not come out before I finish cutting grass. So let's just do some free fluffy edges. Okay. Getting a little extra. Some of you can come back. Because they need to hear me and do right. You really not even gonna be able to see that. Alright, so edges are done. They're really light and fluffy. And you know what else I was thinking? Like, I packed a melt band to take when I go to cut grass. But also, ooh, it's like I may not need it, because if the sweat want to take my wig off, then take it off. That way I don't have to risk pulling it off myself. Okay, so here's the wig. Okay. Oh my God. I look like a doll baby. Let's just finger comb this. Okay, and here's the finished look. The hair being pre-curled saved so much time. So much time. This part bothered me though. Here's the finished look. And the fact that my hair was pre-curled, oh, that saved so much time. Now I love this side more. I like it. Okay, it's 10:07. Oh my God, this wig is perfect. All right, you guys, so here's the finished look. The highlights are gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. And this is a Yaki texture blonde highlight human hair wig. It is 20 inches. And this is a tinted transparent lace, so I didn't have to do too much. I did go in and add a little makeup to my front area, mainly because you could still see the glue over here. I fixed all of that. And this is a 6x13 lace frontal, so the lace goes pretty far back, all the way back here in the middle, and then 13 inches from ear to ear. Swiss lace frontal wig, 20 inches Yaki texture, and this is 200% density. 200%, 20 inches long. Oh, it actually looks really cute pulled back, you know, with it. Oh, I didn't even put any earrings. Hold on. Okay, it makes a difference. It's gorgeous with all of my hair pulled back. This is so tea. Ooh, I be missing the wigs in between the braids. Gorgeous. This might be how I wear it. I really like it like this. So much volume. Okay, so yeah, this is the style. It's super gorgeous. It came already with layers. So, baby, everything is already done for you. It came pre-curled. It came with the layers cut. It came with the highlights. It came pre-plucked. It came with the lace already tinted. Like, there's literally nothing for you to do. On top of everything, this is a Yaki texture, so it's not too silky straight, but it's also not kinky. So it's right in the middle. It just flows really well. Like, usually with straight hair, you would have to like put some type of heat to it, flat iron it, curl it. But this, by it being a Yaki texture, it just really holds the curl, and it looks great. So you guys, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look here. Click the link so you can go get your wig and slay. You have to put literally no effort to this wig. I love you guys, and until next time, bye.